Okay, so look at number 10. This is the video too. So one face of a cube-shaped package has an area of 10.625. What is the lateral surface area? Okay, lateral surface area is always going to be minus your two bases. One cube, you have 6 total sides. They're all the same, so you would just do 4 sides. So you would take the area of this piece and multiply it by 4. So 10.625 times 4 is 42.5. And that's answer choice C. Number 11 is a hollow cylinder is completely made of plastic material if the radius is 3.5 and the height is 7.8 and does not have a top or bottom. What is the amount of plastic material used to make up the cylinders? Okay, it doesn't have a top or bottom, so it's talking about lateral. Okay, so it's really just talking about that label. So that's our formula right there is 2 pi RH. Remember, it's perimeter times the height. So 2 times 3.14 times radius, which is 3.5, times the height, which is 7.8. So 2, and I'm going to use pi because they're using pi on this, times 3.5 times 7.8. It's 171.53 in your calculator, which is answer choice D. Number 12, Cole wanted to wrap his brother's birthday present shaped like a rectangular prism with Avengers wrapping paper. The box is 3.1 feet long by 3.7 feet wide and 4.2 feet high. What is the closest to the total surface area? Okay, so remember you do perimeter of the base, which we're using this right here, the perimeter. So 3.1 times 2 plus 3.7 times 2, that's the perimeter of the base. Okay, this is total surface area plus 2b. So perimeter is 13.6 times the height, which is 4.2. plus 2 times the area of the base. So 3.1 times 3.7 is my area of my base. So it's 11.47. Okay, so we have 13.6 times 4.2 plus 2 times 11.47. Okay, and we should get 80.06, which rounds to D. Number 13, the rectangular prism below needs to be painted on all sides. How many square feet of paint is needed? So we're just looking for total surface area. So you're doing TA, which is PH plus 2B. So perimeter of the base, I'm going to use this as my base. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus another side is 20, times the height is 5, plus 2 times the area of the base, which is 24, 6 times 4. So this is 100 plus 48. So we should have 148, which is answer choice D. Okay, last page, number 14. Debbie is making triangular boxes. The diagram below shows the dimensions of the triangular boxes, how much cardboard is needed to make each box. So you need total surface area. So that's PH plus 2B, okay? So perimeter of the base, your base is gonna be your triangle because it's a triangular prism. So the perimeter would be 5 plus 13 plus 12. So that's 25 plus 5 is 30. The height is 15 plus 2 times area of the base. Well, your area of the base is going to be 5 times 12 divided by 2. So 60 divided by 2, which is 30. Okay, so 2 times 30. So 30 times 15 is 450 plus 60, which is 510, which is answer choice C. Number 15, for a science project, Kaysen needs 2 cube-shaped boxes, one painted white and the other painted black. Kaysen will place a thermometer inside each box, set it in the sun, and measure temperature differences. The edge of each box is 5.3 long. What is the surface area of both boxes that Tanner will have to paint? Okay, so it's really a cube, so we need the surface area of both boxes, so we need 2 boxes. So we're gonna find the perimeter of the base. So 5.3 times 4. Okay, so that's 21.2 times the height, which is 5.3 plus 2. The area of the base is 5.3 times 5.3, which is 28.09. So 21.2 times 5.3 plus 2 times 28.09 is 168.54. But I have 2 of them, so this is 1. So times 2. Notice that answer choice is there. So I'm going to multiply it times 2, and I get 337.08. Number 16, Patrick is building a ramp out of plywood. He's going to use plywood sheets that are 36 square feet each. The diagram below shows the dimensions. How many plywood sheets will Patrick need to build all 5 sides of the ramp? Okay, so we need total surface area. So perimeter times height plus 2 times B. Okay, perimeter is 4 plus 3. And we have to do a right triangle here. So this is going to be 5 because it's a 3, 4, 5 right triangle. So 9, 3 squared plus 4 squared equals C squared. So I got that. So 9 plus 16 equals C squared. 25 equals C squared. And then take the square root. Okay. And then so 3, 4, 5 is 12. The perimeter is 12. The height I would use it as 3. Oh, no. I would use 14.4 plus 2 times the area of the base. 3 times 4 divided by 2, which is 6. So 12 times 14.4 plus 12 is 184.8. Okay, so that's how many feet he needs. But each piece is 36, you're going to divide that by 36. So divide that by 36, and we get 5.13. So he'll have to go with 6 because he'll need to go up in numbers because you'll need 0.13 of the next piece. Okay, make sure you get all this done and turn it in and look at it, or check over it tonight. If you have questions, bring it in to first thing tomorrow.